I was sent this diaper backpack and it is so cool. So it doesn't have to just be for diapers. It could just be the ultimate mom bag as well. So first things first, it comes with a little hand sanitizer clipped on. Do you fill it with your own sanitizer? Do you know how needed that is? All the time. So I love that that's handy, and it's even like cute with the little tassels there. Now, the feel of this bag, it feels really nice. It's like so soft and amazing. And then it has a bazillion compartments. So let me show you everything that this bag does. You have your zipper pocket in the front, and then you have up here a magnetic button closure area. Coming to the side here, you have enough space to put a bottle if you would like. And then here on the back, we have a strap here, which can be used. Now, these can actually unclip if you want to snap this onto like a stroller or something like that. You have that ability using these little snaps up here. You also have your carry loop up here. Of course, you have your adjustable backpack straps. You can wear it over one shoulder or you can wear it over both. And they're really soft, so they have a nice soft padding in there as well. Coming to this side, you get another space to put a bottle or maybe some sunscreen, whatever you need right there. And there's a little zipper area here where you could throw some cards in there. You could put some lip balm, whatever you need to in that section there. Now on the back, there's also a zippered area too. So you have another zippered space here in the back. Now, as a mom, you know you can never have too many spots to have stuff and hide stuff and put stuff. But let's talk about the main compartment. So let me unzip that. I love the gold detail. I love how it folds open so nicely so you can reach everything if you wanted to just set it down flat in the trunk of your car. You have everything accessible to you. You have a front mesh area here with a zipper. And then you have a zippered area right here, which is pretty deep. You have this stretchy pocket area. And then inside, you're gonna get two areas where it has the insulation. So whether you wanna put some ice packs or you need to keep some milk cold, you have that on either side. So I love all the details. You also have a little clip here where you can clip something if you need it. Just lots of great space in this bag to have everything you need, and it's like a perfect size. It's not too big and oversized. It's just like a great bag that really looks trendy and stylish. So even if you don't have kids in diapers, I think you could rock this as well and absolutely love it.